As the pandemic rages, the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, is back before the Supreme Court. Several of the court's conservative justices are expressing an unwillingness to strike down the law during today's hearing. Some of the justices suggested the court may get rid of the challenged provision of the law known as the individual mandate and leave the rest standing. The decision will impact health insurance for millions of Americans, including coverage for people with pre-existing conditions. In Florida, many are watching the court to see exactly how it could affect their health care.
WPTV News Channel 5's Matt Sesney spoke with a West Palm Beach man who relies on it for coverage.
Amit Knightley knows all about the Affordable Care Act.
They covered my COVID testing. They covered my antibody test. By the way, so I have the antibodies.
The West Palm DJ turned unemployment answer man for people across the state has been on the plan known as Obamacare for over a year. After turning 26 and losing his coverage, it was, he says, his only option.
It did work out. In fact, a crazy story. Not long after, a year ago, actually this week, I shattered my hand. And I had to have surgery, but the whole thing was covered, all by Obamacare. I didn't have to pay a dime.
Amit is one of about 1.9 million Floridians enrolled in the ACA, the same program that is now before the U.S. Supreme Court, a challenge by Republicans.
There's a number of things that have been pulled out as a part of it already, such as the individual mandate and those parts of it that make it really unfair on a lot of people that don't want that as their coverage. They need to remain gone.
Losing the coverage in a court decision has many worried. Amit says without it, his hand operation would have been impossible to pay.
My surgeon told me that just the prep part of it alone was $12,000. I was like, wow. And then not even that, I'm only paying $30 a month for it.
In West Palm Beach, Matt Sesney, WPTV News Channel 5.